Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI, and I love these Le Creuset Stoneware Set of 4 soup bowls. They match my dinner plates, and I love having the quality and style of Le Creuset. It's such a timeless brand, and these bowls are really so versatile to use for salad, for cereal, for soup. I even like to use them when I'm prepping ingredients for a recipe. And I love that the color can mix and match with my other different colored Le Creuset pieces. It's really easy to care for these as well. You can put them right in the dishwasher. I'm so proud to be able to serve my family and friends with these Le Creuset set of 4 stoneware soup bowls. They're also excellent for everyday use, and I love to use them in my kitchen. And that's my point of view.